TCP Minister Vijay Sardesai has said the Goa government will write to the Union government about its stand vis-à-vis the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act. He said though the act does not affect Goa directly, but its effect on neighbouring states has its ramifications on Goa. Vijay asserted that the move and the stand of the government is neither to appease minorities nor to go against the majority community.
The Goa government will be writing to the centre its stand on the rules under the Prevention to Cruelty to Animals Act. Amka कितें दिसता तें? At the onset, I should also tell you that this does not come, these rules don't come, we don't come under the ambit of these rules. Because we don't have a yard where milk or draft animals are sold. But since there are interstate ramifications, ताजो इफेक्ट आमचेर जाता. So I call upon every person from every section of the Goan society, जे कोण खाटीक आहा, जे कोण आमचे कुरेशी म्हणून समाज आहा, हे बेपारी आहा, ताकाय भिवपाची गरज ना, सगळ्यांक कोणाकूच भिवपाची गरज ना, आनी कोणाचे अपीजमेंट करपाकूय आमी हांगा ना, आनी हिंदू मनशाचेर अन्याय करपा खातीरूय आमी ना, कोणाचेर अन्याय करचो जावचो ना, हें हांव सांगूंक सोदतां.
When a Sadhvi stated recently that all those who eat beef should be hanged, Congress General Secretary Girish Chudankar had questioned Vijay Sardesai's stand. Vijay reacted to Girish's statement, stating that the Sadhvi and Girish are on the same page seeking cheap publicity. He said the government will come down heavily on those who try to take law into their hands.
Goa government stand is that anybody who intends to take law into their hands will be sternly acted upon. Strong action will be taken against anybody, whichever color he may be wearing. हे क्लियर कट कळपाक जाय. आतां गोंयकारपण म्हणटा जे आदाराचेर आमी हो जो सरकार केला, हे गोंयकारपणाचो बेडरॉक ऑफ दीस गोंयकारपण, फाटीचो कोणो गोंयकारपणाचो म्हणटा तो कम्युनल हार्मनी. ही कम्युनल हार्मनी राखपाक आमी 100% आसतलेच. यू मे बी अ गौरक्षक, बट वेन दे कम टू गोवा दे शुड नो that for every Gau-Rakshak there is also a Goa-Rakshak. Maka, I want to equate Girish Chudankar and that Sadhvi on the same line.
Our reporter Sandeep Twenkar in Margao.